Yeoman YM1000S. Remote-controlled snow removal machine. Multifunctional snow pushing, snow throwing robot can realize remote operation. Precise control, strong adaptability, improved efficiency, and enhanced safety, making snow removal operations more convenient, efficient, and safe.